going to make a pink lemonade cake. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, this is Emery, and that's Aaliyah. And on this channel, I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell so that you can see when I post my next video. Today we're gonna make a pink lemonade cake because it's coming up on springtime, and what's better than some pink lemonade? So as always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need. All-purpose flour, softened butter, granulated sugar, eggs, pink lemonade powder, milk, oil, lemons, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, some vanilla, lemon extract, and some red or pink food coloring. So go ahead and zest and juice your lemons and add the zest to your dry ingredients and the juice into your milk. Then combine all of your dry ingredients together and all of your wet ingredients together. Now you're going to alternately add these to your creamed egg and butter and sugar mixture, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Make sure it's mixed well and then scrape down the sides and kick it up to about medium speed for about 30 seconds just to make sure everything is really well combined. Last but not least, go ahead and add a little bit of your red or pink food coloring just until it's about as pink as you would like it. So go ahead and pour this into your prepared cake pans. I'm using 6 inches and you can use 9 inches or 8 inches and they'll just be a little bit thinner, but they work.
What do I smell?
What does it smell like?
Yucky.
So go ahead and bake your cakes at 350 degrees for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of your cake pan, just until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. And then make sure you cool these cakes completely before you try to decorate them. So the look I'm going for will be a pink and yellow stripe up the sides with a fault line in the middle of that, and on the top some lovely little buttercream swirls and lemon slices. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and dye some of my frosting pink and some of my frosting yellow. I have just an American buttercream. This one I added some pink lemonade mix to, and this one just has some lemon extract for the yellow. So I didn't want it to be orange. So here we go. So I just took some simple syrup and added some pink lemonade mix to it just to soak into our cake layers to make it extra pink lemonade-y. Lemonade cake. If you enjoyed this recipe, you might also like this hurricane cocktail cake I made right here. It's passion fruit, orange, and lime, so it's delicious. Go check it out. Go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. Have a great day.